The concept of walking away from women increases your attractiveness instantly is based on psychological and social dynamics that revolve around confidence, value, and self-respect. Here's a detailed explanation of why this idea resonates and how it works. Walking away attraction tips. Yesterday, Quiet Strengths explained. 1. Demonstrating high value. Walking away signals that you view yourself as a person of high value. When someone is willing to walk away from a situation or person, it conveys that they have other options and are not desperate. Why this works. People are naturally drawn to those who appear self-sufficient and desirable to others. It creates the perception that you are someone worth pursuing. 2. Confidence is attractive. Walking away requires confidence, which is universally attractive. It shows that you are not afraid of being alone or losing someone, and that you prioritize your well-being over seeking approval. Why this works. Confidence conveys strength, independence, and emotional stability, traits that many people find appealing in a partner. 3. Setting boundaries. By walking away, you demonstrate that you have clear boundaries and standards for how you expect to be treated. If those boundaries are crossed, you're willing to leave rather than compromise your self-respect. Why this works. Boundaries communicate self-respect, which in turn invites others to respect you. When you refuse to tolerate poor behavior or indifference, it can inspire others to value you more. 4. Creating mystery and intrigue. When you walk away, it often creates a sense of mystery. People tend to be curious about those who don't chase or cling, which can make you more intriguing. Why this works. Humans often value things that are scarce or hard to obtain. Walking away creates a sense of challenge, making your presence feel more valuable. 5. Avoiding neediness. Neediness or clingy behavior can be unattractive because it signals insecurity and dependency. Walking away is the opposite. It shows that you are emotionally self-sufficient. Why this works. Emotional independence is a key trait in healthy relationships. It allows others to see you as a part rather than a burden. 6. Shifting power dynamics. When you walk away, the dynamic shifts. Instead of you seeking validation, the other person may start to reevaluate your worth and potentially pursue you instead. Why this works. People often desire what they feel they might lose. Walking away shifts the perception of who holds the power in the interaction. Real-life application. Walking away doesn't mean being cold, manipulative, or dismissive. It's about recognizing when a situation isn't beneficial for you and having the courage to prioritize yourself. Healthy walking away. Leaving situations where you're disrespected, undervalued, or unappreciated. Unhealthy walking away. Using this as a tactic to manipulate someone into chasing you.